Hello everyone, thank you for coming back again to my channel. I recently posted a review of the Sunday sticks from DPI, the Arbo from Aliexpress, and people were asking me about Aliexpress, the quality of the stuff you find in there. Just to give an example, I found this kit of Gunpla. It's not original, of course. It's like a made. I don't know, there's some writing. Can't even tell if it's Chinese or Japanese. I'm not an expert, but this was £6 for a high grade, and I bought it. Say, well, let's see what's the fuss about. So I bought it. I only got left some sprues in there because I built it. And to me it seems like it comes with instructions, of course, instructions, and set of stickers. The instruction very accurate. You just need to follow the pictures anyway. And it was my first Gunpla I was building. No problem at all. Everything was clicking perfectly. Everything was very good, perfect tolerance, no gaps, no missing bits, nothing. So I'm very pleased with it. I mean, I haven't done a real Gunpla yet. I'm planning to do one very soon, possibly I start tonight. And I've opened the other one just to have a look at the difference in between the pieces. It seems to me that the quality of the sprues are similar. Possibly the attachment to the sprues are a bit smaller on the real one, on the original ones, but then again this is an high grade and the other one that goes as a reference is a master grade. So I don't know, I'm sure it's a completely different system anyway. So the quality on the master grade is going to be much better. And to give you an idea of the final results, that's what I came up with. It comes with its own stand, which is a bonus, and very posable. I don't want to move it too much because but yeah, fully articulated. Yeah, all the bits. Same will go for the arms and everything, even flaps. Yeah. I came with other option, other weapons, other cannons. Big cannon could have been different as well. Different visor, selection for the side weapons, and I had to say, for £6, I'm very pleased. The only thing is that they're not decals, they are stickers. So once you put them on the round bits, if you touch one side, the other one comes off, like all round things. Maybe I need to use a hot gun for it. But yeah, very pleased with it. Just for me to get in touch with the Gunpla, and I'm feeling confident they are both master grade after this. And then I say, okay, actual master grade original. I said let's do a master grade. So I will keep you up to date with that. Thank you for watching, and yeah, Aliexpress is the future.